Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a plan with me featuring my new mini kit. I'm super excited about this. So I am doing it, which is funny because like we're in the middle of January, but I don't care. I'm going to be using my mermaid one. Like, yes. So cute. And I'm really excited for this. I was definitely indifferent in what I wanted to do for a mini kit. And when I asked you guys on Instagram, everyone wanted a 4-page mini kit. And I for sure, like hands down, thought 3-page mini kit would have won. Like hands down. And 4-page knocked it out of the park. Like not even like just gone. So I was like, oh, okay. Let the people speak. So I really like this setup. Do I want it to do or this week? I think. Let's do work here. Cause this is where I put my YouTube videos for the week, and I'm not 100% sure what I am going to be posting this week. I definitely will have this plan with me. I feel like this plan with me may be up Tuesday. I have a fitness plan with me, and it's in one of my vlogs. Parts of it, like not like the plan with me, but like me discussing like the aftermath of it, which will make sense if I post the plan with me. And so I want to get that plan with me up before I talk about it in that vlog. Are you guys still enjoying the vlogs? I get a lot of really good comments from them. Or do you like, if you don't like vlogs, do you just like ignore it and you're like not offended? Although offended is such a strong word on something that you shouldn't even be offended from, but like, you know what I mean. I'm gonna put this guy up her. Perfect. So now that we have the bases down, I'm gonna come out. Oh, my camera is dying, hang on. And like movie magic, we're back. So this is like the base. And then we have full boxes, half boxes, and some appointments, some more of the functional, and then we have the date covers, the washi, and then the washi or like the elongated strip. However you decide to use it. I thought of this as kind of like you can use these three as, or these four, I'm sorry, as washi. Or is there 3? 1, 2, 3, 4. No, there's 4. Or you could use it like, I'm taking a long weekend, so you just like do it across, and then I save that little guy, so it's like the same thing as, I mean, I've explained it before. So today is Monday. I did work from home. You know what, I'm gonna write in here. Let's just do it. Gotta take the little, is this the right size? Ooh, running over a cord. What size is this? 7, that's not what I want. 7. All right, now that I'm really melodramatic, so today is Monday, but I'm gonna kind of put things down as I see it. Okay. And then I have one here. Actually, I'll put this down here, because I think I'm gonna have new releases. So I wanna put those up there. Oh yeah, and I need my video guys. So today, I know for sure Oh, look at them. These are like perfect. I think I may even use like the brighter one. Oh, you know what? So glad I saw that. You know, I'm gonna put this up here. It's still sideways, I think. And then I'm gonna switch this. Maybe. Like so, okay? I'm gonna hang on to that bildew. I know there's one here, but like we're gonna wait a sec. Okay, so I worked from home today. Make sure this one can write. Bam, okay? So I worked from home. And put this little computer like so. And maybe I should do a voiceover instead of like writing things out. And then I have dinner with my parents on Saturday. So I want to grab this guy. No, I don't want to use purple. What am I thinking? Let's use this blue one because we're taking my parents out to thank them for the wedding. Can you tell that I can't write and talk at the same time? It's kind of funny. Perfect. And then, let's see. I didn't do any laundry today, but I think I'm going to put some boxes down. Let's go. We have a lot of purple up there. So I'm gonna go with this like light blue. I don't think I put any videos up today, but I did do a lot of filming. Youth filming on that. So let's see. Yeah, I think I can kind of, yeah, let's do that. But let's take a pink header, right? Or blue. Let's go with blue. I'm okay with blue. I love these little checklists. Am I too far away? Is that like better? So, sorry, I just took the, you know, like the little thing off. Okay, so I did a nail video. I'm doing Plan With Me, which is this one. And we'll see if I get to the next one. I may just like, if I film it later in the week, I'll just, you know, write it in. I did a boatload of packaging orders because I'm an idiot and, well, besides the obvious, I am rewinding, although I have these too. I'm gonna take these pink ones and pop that right there. So yeah, I'm totally special, and I like printed a whole bunch of shipping labels, and I was like, okay, perfect, I'll drop them off Saturday, and then Monday get scanned in, no problem. Yeah, well, today being Monday, it's a holiday. Didn't realize that. Like, it didn't like put two and two together, so I feel terrible that they're just essentially sitting in the post office, but there isn't much I can do about it. I think I may put this, no, I don't want to put that one all the way at the bottom. Probably working tomorrow night. Let's slip this guy in here for a little gym. bam, workout. And then I will do, I don't know what video is gonna go live today. I am going to do a new release video. This looks close enough. On Thursday, if I can get them done. New release. And then I need a box for the new releases. Or is there to do, yeah, let's do one of these instead. Let's take this guy. Oh yeah, and they're on here. Because there'll be quite a few things that will need to happen before like that happens. Stick that over there. No, you know what? I'll take one more. I think I'm going to use that other green one again over here. Perfect. So I'm gonna stick those over there because I don't think I'm gonna overload you guys with videos this week. I have quite a few vlogs, but I don't wanna overload you. So Etsy and my job. I don't really like how that looks. Before anyone asks, this is the Friction palette. There we go. There, I want to make it pretty, okay? I think I'm gonna take this dark color here. So I wonder if we're gonna do that tomorrow. I'm gonna put it in, and if we don't, we may reschedule this to a later time, but I'm going to put it in because we are buying a new car, and through a credit union, the interest rate is much, much, much lower. And then I'm sending a lot of Happy Mail tomorrow. Although I guess technically I could use a munchkin, but I think that's cute. Yeah, so I was right on this. I'm okay. Well, these are all sorts of crooked, but I pushed that real good too. Is anyone gonna tell me? I should have just showered instead of trying to film a plan with me and write in the plan with me. We getting crazy, okay? I'm gonna let's take this one as I grab every single one. Come on, there we go. Perfecto. I think I could even put this one here. Yeah. And then I'm just gonna put this one down here. Perfect. And then I have my trainer. That's why I want to get, like, ideally I'd like to get everything done before that day, but I probably won't because it's gonna be a busy week. And then I normally do a full checklist on Sunday. So I'm just going to break them out like so. And I may categorize them. Like one may be Etsy related and one may be like life. That's gonna bother me. Am I crazy? That little, probably, but I don't care. Good enough. What else? What else? What else do I know for sure? Oh, I should have done this. You know what? I'm gonna switch this. You know what? I'm not gonna even put it in the same spot. I'm gonna put it up here. And then, yeah, let's go this way. There. Yeah, that looks much better. So this is what we're working with so far. I know I should watch some TV shows. Let's see, it's almost 11 o'clock. So we're out here. I still have this page left. I think that's all I can think of, like right off the top of my head. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna leave here for now. And then what it like actually looks like, kind of that like super. So yeah, I think this is where I'm gonna leave it. I'm definitely going to fill it in for the rest of the week. And I have a few more things to put in down here, but this was last week's. Oh my God. This was such a good kit. And, sorry, that was really dramatic. I didn't ruin it with all my handwriting. I did really good and took my time. Look, I did so good. But yes, so this is where I'm going to leave it. I hope you guys have a great week. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.